Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Logstash 8.10.3 error, badly formatted index, detailed tutorial. This tutorial delves into the common badly formatted index error in Logstash 8.10.3, providing a comprehensive understanding of its causes, troubleshooting steps, and solutions, accompanied by code examples. Understanding the badly formatted index error. The badly formatted index error in Logstash typically occurs when Logstash attempts to write data to an Elasticsearch index whose mapping is not compatible with the data being ingested. Elasticsearch, being a schemaless database at its core, relies on dynamically creating field mappings based on the first piece of data it receives for that field. If subsequent data for the same field has a different data type or structure, Elasticsearch throws a mapping conflict, and Logstash will report this badly formatted index error. Essentially, Elasticsearch is saying, I already thought I knew what this field looked like, example a number, and now you're sending me something different, example a string, that doesn't fit. This error is frustrating because it stops Logstash from indexing data, leading to data loss if not handled correctly. Let's explore the common culprits and how to resolve them. Common causes *. 1. Data type mismatches *. Numbers versus strings *. The most frequent cause. Logstash might initially send 123, a string, and Elasticsearch infers the field as a text or keyword field. Later, Logstash sends 123, a number, and Elasticsearch refuses because it expects text. The reverse is also true. Date formatting issues. Inconsistent date formats in your logs can confuse Elasticsearch. If Elasticsearch initially sees a date formatted as YYYYMMDD and later encounters MM/DD/YYYY, you'll likely encounter an error. Boolean misinterpretation. Sending true, string, initially can create a text field, while a subsequent Boolean true causes conflict. Arrays versus single values. Elasticsearch needs to know if a field will always be a single value or potentially an array. A single value followed by an array for the same field will cause problems. 2. Incorrect grok patterns or field extraction. If your grok patterns are not correctly extracting data, you might be accidentally mixing data types or creating inconsistent field values. For example, capturing the wrong part of a log message as a timestamp. If fields are named identically but are actually storing completely different types of data, example 2 completely unrelated fields accidentally named status, you will run into problems. 3. Elasticsearch index template issues. Missing or incomplete templates. While Elasticsearch can create mappings dynamically, using index templates to predefine your mappings is highly recommended, especially for production environments. If the template is missing or doesn't cover all the fields in your data, the dynamic mapping process can still lead to conflicts. Incorrect data types in templates. Even with templates, if you've explicitly defined the wrong data type for a field in the template, you'll encounter this error when Logstash attempts to index data that doesn't conform. 4. Mutate filters causing conflicts. Logstash mutate filters are powerful for manipulating data. However, if you're using convert org subfilters incorrectly, you can unintentionally change data types or introduce inconsistencies that lead to mapping conflicts. Using rename on fields before they have been properly converted can also result in data type conflicts. 5. Rarely, Elasticsearch bug. While infrequent, bugs in specific versions of Elasticsearch can sometimes contribute to this error, especially with complex nested data structures. Keeping Elasticsearch up to date helps mitigate this. Troubleshooting steps, with code examples. 1. Inspect Logstash logs. The first and most crucial step is to examine your Logstash logs. The logs will provide specific details about the error, including the index name identifies which index is causing the problem. The field name pinpoints the field with the mapping conflict. The expected data type and the actual data type. This is the most valuable piece of information. Logstash logs typically reside in /var/log/log/or/usr/share/logstash/logs/. 2. Examine your Logstash configuration, the pipeline. Carefully review your Logstash pipeline, specifically the filter section, paying attention to grok patterns. Are they accurate and consistent? Use the grok debugger, available in the Kibana DevTools, to test your patterns thoroughly. Mutate filters. Look for potential data type conversions or modifications. Date filters. Are you using the correct format strings? 3. Analyze the problematic data. Once you've identified the problematic field, try to isolate the specific log messages or data points that are causing the conflict. You can use conditional logic in your Logstash pipeline to send these problematic messages to a separate index or file for further examination. Alternatively, you can query the Elasticsearch index directly to inspect the existing data and the dynamically created mappings. 4. Use index templates. Index templates are essential for managing Elasticsearch mappings in a structured way. Define the correct data types for your fields in the template before Logstash starts indexing data. Example index template *index_patterns specifies which indices this template applies to. Use a wildcard pattern to match multiple indices. *template.settings defines settings for the index, example number of shards and replicas. *template.mappings.properties defines the field mappings, including the data types and formats. 5. Correcting data types with mutate filters. Use mutate filters to explicitly convert data types before sending them to Elasticsearch. This is a crucial step in preventing mapping conflicts. 6. Handling date formatting issues with the date filter. Ensure consistent date formatting by using the date filter with appropriate format strings. 7. Dealing with arrays and single values. If a field can sometimes be a single value and sometimes an array, consider one of these strategies. Split filter. If the array is represented as a delimited string, use the split filter to convert it into an actual array. Conditional logic. If you can identify when a field will be an array, use conditional logic to handle it differently. You might even create a separate field for the array values. 8. Reindexing and data migration, if necessary. If you've already indexed data with incorrect mappings and you need to correct the data, you might need to reindex. This involves creating a new index with the correct mappings and migrating the data from the old index to the new index. Create a new index with the corrected mapping either by applying an index template or using the Elasticsearch API. Use the _reindex API to copy data from the old index to the new index Consider using the Logstash Elasticsearch output plugin with a document_ID to update existing documents if you only need to modify specific fields and can reliably identify the documents to update. This can be more efficient than a full reindex. Preventative measures Plan your mappings before deploying Logstash. Carefully analyze your data sources and determine the appropriate data types for each field. Use index templates consistently. Create comprehensive index templates and apply them to all relevant indices. Thorough testing. Test your Logstash pipeline and index templates thoroughly in a development or staging environment before deploying to production. Monitor Logstash and Elasticsearch. Regularly monitor the health and performance of your Logstash and Elasticsearch clusters to identify potential issues early. Example scenario and solution. Let's say you're processing Apache access logs. You have a field called response_code. Initially, most access logs have numeric response codes, example 200, 404. However, you occasionally encounter logs where the response code is represented as a string, example OK for a successful response, not found. This will lead to a badly formatted index error. Solution. 1. Update your index template. Change the response_code field type to keyword in your index template. This allows it to store both numeric and string values as strings. 2. Or, mutate filter with conditional logic and conversion. You can attempt to convert number strings to integers, handling the other non-numeric codes differently. This will convert the numeric-only values to integers and assign a unique number for each non-numeric response, and create a new field for the response as text. 3. Reindex, if necessary. If you have existing data with incorrect mappings, reindex your data to apply the new template. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve the badly formatted index error in Logstash 8.10.3 and ensure that your data is indexed correctly in Elasticsearch. Remember that prevention through careful planning and consistent use of index templates is always the best approach.